In this video, you will learn how to subscribe to eAlerts, which are important notifications from our credit union. First, hover over Info Center and click eAlert Subscriptions. There are many different types of eAlerts you can receive. From account balance information to transaction alerts and loan payment reminders, eAlerts are a quick way to stay on top of your finances. As you can see here, we've already subscribed to the Daily Balance eAlert. Let's add to this list and subscribe to eNotices. eNotices are a great way to save paper and time. When you sign up for eNotices, the correspondence we normally send you by mail will be sent electronically instead. By default, your eNotices will be sent to your secure message center. Select this option if you'd like to be alerted via email whenever we send an eNotice to your secure message center. If you select this option, verify that the email address we have on file is correct. In addition to receiving your eNotices via your secure message center, you can receive them via text. Once you've made your selections, click Add. Here you'll see a message informing you that you have successfully subscribed to eAlerts. You'll also see your new eNotice subscription listed here. To change any of your eAlert options, click Edit. To unsubscribe to an eAlert, click Delete.